everyone. Today I'm going to give you some insight on how to hire a programmer for a startup or a company. Finding a programmer can be a really challenging task even if you are the CTO of a big company, and not to mention the people who do not have any technical background, especially the startup owners. Many specialists make softwares on different platforms using different languages and frameworks. So before just rushing and hiring any programmer, you need to first decide that what you precisely need. And for that, you need to follow these simple steps. So beginning with making a list of features. No matter what kind of a programmer you are hiring, whether it be a freelancer, in-house or even outsourcing, they are going to ask you what are the features that you want in your app or software. So you have to divide your list of features into two main parts. The first one, the list of features that you want to develop first as basic ones, that is the MVP, the minimum viable product, to reduce the time to market. And the second part is the list of advanced features that you would like to add to gain more users in the near future. Step number 2 is defining the platform. Figuring out the platform on which you want your app to run. That is it going to run on a mobile, that is iOS or Android, or on a desktop, iOS, Windows, Linux, etc., or on wearables or a smart TV. And also in this process, do not forget to look up on the technology part. For example, if you are developing an app that is going to run on mobile, on Android, so you need to look for programmers who know Kotlin or Java. In the case of iOS, you need to look for programmers who know Swift or Objective-C. Step number 3 is finding a UI designer, that is a user interface designer. If there is no user interface design, the programmers have nothing to work upon. You cannot consider design as something secondary just for pretty looks. It's actually the framework. Obviously, there's much more to it. So for more informative content, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.